Okay, normally I wouldn't just rush a video out with low quality, low editing, and all that stuff, but the stupidity on what you're about to see has caught me wanting to rant and do a video about this. If I'm wrong, leave a comment below. Otherwise, this mining platform, the customer service is really, really stupid. So let's just go take a look at this. Nerdy dude stuff. I plan to do other videos today. I'm in the process of going out and doing errands to buy some beer for my actual beer review for today's video. But usually after I wake up, I work out, I, take care of my kids, my wife is working, and I come into my office, my closet's right over there. My wife has the entire master bedroom closet. I pick out a t-shirt and I look on my computer just kind of like for a daily update on where my crypto passive income stuff is. As you guys know, we've been talking about the juicy miners, and we've been not selling them, but whatever. I'm just so flustered. We've been talking about the juicy miners. We've been setting all this stuff up, passive income, referral links, all that stuff below. We talked about this platform yesterday, and the math didn't line up for us, so we opened up a ticket on Discord, which I'm going to show you this ticket on Discord here in just a second, and the pure stupidity of this person is going to blow your freaking mind, okay? So let's just set the groundwork. If I do a video later today, it is currently Thursday, October 27th. We'll have a beer of the day in there. Anyway, we are on Pawns.app, okay? Pawns.app is a data selling, we got the juicy miner sitting on here. They sell your data at a rate of 0.2 or 20 cents a gig, okay? We're not going to argue that. Easy peasy, done. So right now we've got 6 gigabytes right here that we've already sold, which equates to $1.20. Good, awesome, understandable. Now, we use Juicy's affiliate link, and for using the affiliate link, unless they recently changed that, we get a bonus $1. And so, technically, with our 6 gigs being sold at 20 cents a gig, we should be sitting at $2.20. I mean, yes, I might be making a big stink over $1. At the end of the day, we've sold 6 gigs, we're making 20 cents a gig, we've got $1.20 for the past week of running this. Nothing crazy, whatever. Anyway. Doesn't say anywhere on the site, like right on this page. Oh, wait. Yes, it does. You'll instantly get a $1 bonus along with 10%. Let's go to view details. So right here, when you sign up using the affiliate link, you will get $1 to start off your balance. Register to Pawns.app and get $1 instantly. Okay? We've got 6 referrals. That means everyone's got $1. There's your groundwork. So I opened up a ticket. I was like, hey, my data's not being sold correctly. I need you guys to know. So I said right here yesterday, I've sold 5.86 gigs of data, but have only received 17 cents for a payout. $1 is for signing up as a referral. You see $1. This is what I sent them yesterday. $1.17, 5.86, and then I've got 0.2 gigabytes in my sold data right there. Okay. Now we're gonna go down to hi. It's $1.17. Right? But I've sold 5.896 gigabytes, and I had $1 to start for joining as a referral. So that math doesn't line up. It should be $2.17. This $1 was your start bonus already. Okay, exactly. So I should have $1 plus $1.17. Your start balance was $0 USD. Bonus was $1 USD. For now, you see 1 USD bonus and 17 cents earned by yourself. I understand that. So 17 cents earned with 6 gigabytes sold at 20 cents per gig sold is now $1.20. So I even drew it out for this fucking moron. Bonus, $1. Earned should be $2 and it really should have been $1.204, but this total balance should be $2.04. 6 gigabytes sold at 20 cents a gigabyte. I don't know where the disconnect is. It's the dumbest freaking thing. Like, come on, bro. Anyway, we'll see where that goes along there. It doesn't really mean that I'm going to turn off the app. Because, like, if we didn't get the bonus $1, fine, so be it, whatever. But if we were supposed to, and they're not selling the data correctly, then that's where the problem's going to lie. So if this is the actual bonus $1 and my 6 gigs are only worth 20 cents, that means we're at 20 cents divided by 6.0236. We're only getting 3.3 cents a gig being sold. So I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt and say they didn't add the $1 bonus. I really think that this dingle hopper in here, DOSG support, is just a moron and not giving me the time of day. And so I'm okay with the numbers like this at 20 cents a gig with legitimately 6 gigs being sold versus not getting the referral dollar. If you guys sign up under me and you have a referral dollar sitting in your account, let me know before you actually turn the device on. Otherwise, I mean, I don't remember. I'll probably have to go back to the very first day when I was setting this up and rewatch that video because I just was recording the video while Juicy was setting this up in the back end. So anyway, before we close this video out, I do want to do a quick test. We did a withdraw and packet stream yesterday, and looks like our account has not been banned just yet, which is fantastic. I think the payouts go through every Thursday, so we'll see if it hits the PayPal account today. Maybe we'll do a short on that, and then we'll keep you guys updated on that. So otherwise, yeah, stupid. Not really the typical content I was planning to do today, but like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification. We'll hopefully get another video out for you today that's a little more in-depth and not just a rant about someone's stupidity. All that good stuff. I'm O'Price. We'll see you guys soon.